Hello friends, welcome back to JavaScript tutorial. So last day we started about the conditional clause. We discussed about the if-else statement. In this video we are going to discuss about the switch case. Actually, switch case statement in JavaScript is another way to create a conditional statement that execute actually a defined blocks based on defined condition, right? So simply the code structure is like this. So simply I just write switch. So there will have some expression, okay, and inside this expression we will create many cases. Suppose if case is something, means suppose case is x, then some code here. So simply write some code block. In this way, if the case is some y, some z, sorry, there is indentation problem, okay. And if I just write if case is y, with the respect of this y case we can write our code, and with the respect of z we can write code. Actually these are the expression we will get from outside of this switch case. Actually the main logic is switch case expression will evaluate once. After that it's searching for matching case, means we will pass some expression from outside and it will search for matching case, means if the expression match with these things it will execute. In this way it will check the next things whether it matches or not. If not matches, then it will pass to the next, and if no any cases matches, then we have a default, right? And this is the section. So by using default we can write the code block which are not matching with any of the cases, okay. So let's say if I going to write anything, suppose I just going to create any variable, let's say the weekdays, okay. Suppose today we are Sunday, okay. So let's use 0, means if the case is 0, means if I am passing these things, if the case is 0, then we will print some things, means suppose I just going to write console.log and it's Sunday, okay. And let's use the break. I will say what is break actually. So first let's use some things and let's create for all day, okay. So if 0 is Sunday, 1 is Monday, and 2 is, so I just written all the cases. So if the weekdays is 0, it will run this block, that is Sunday. If the 1, this Monday. So if I just refresh this, you can see, so this is Sunday, okay. And if I just write 5, means it will print the output as Friday, okay. So this is the expression I just passed, and based on that expression it will execute. It will check all the things and it will execute the particular things which is actually matches. So if I just write the weekdays is 50, so invalid days, means it will execute the default part, okay. So in this way we can write our condition, okay. Actually where we will use this switch case statement are typically used when you need to evaluate a single value against the multiple case. So this is the single value with the multiple case. If you get anything in our logic, that time this will be the perfect to use any switch case, okay. The switch case statement evaluates the expression and compares it to each case until finds the match. Once a match is found, the corresponding code is executed and the break statement is used to exit the switch case. Means suppose I just removing the break right now, okay. So now just I am just closing the break, okay, and I just remove the break. So break statement actually exits from the switch case, means suppose I just print the 5, that means when we execute this logic, so the weekdays will be the 5, so it will match to the 5 and it will entry to the logic, means it will execute the Friday, okay. then it will not exit from the loop, so it will go and print the next case and it will again print the default case. So check this. So weekdays is 5 and it's printing Friday, Saturday and invalid day. Means when we get the exact matches, it started printing everything. If you just write here 3, that means in this way it will print from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and the default statement. Okay, so break is used to exit. Means here I just printing the 3, so Wednesday, Thursday, and I don't want to print the Saturday and invalid day. So here I just added the break. That means after getting this condition, we will execute only these 3 conditions. So that's the reason I just added the break, and let's see, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and got break and exits from the loop. So Saturday and this part is not executed. So if you want to execute the next cases also along with the match case, and remove the break, otherwise it will only execute the particular cases which actually matches. Okay, so refresh this, it will get the only Wednesday. So this is the one type of conditional things. So we completed if else, we completed switch case. Now we need to know something about the string concept. We need to know some object and array concept. So next day we are going to start about the object or array concept. And if you have any questions about this switch case condition, please comment in a below comment section, and please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.